Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. Today is my art challenge day 2, so it's the 2nd of April, and I thought for today's challenge for myself is I am going to be using these Pigma from Sakura of America Micron pens. I bought these yesterday and they are in different colors. So there's a purple, a pink, I think it's brown, blue, red, and black. And they are a Micron PN, which stands for plastic nib. And it says it's a durable, flexible nib for fine to medium line widths. Archival quality ink, is waterproof and fade resistant, etc. So I got this at Michael's yesterday, and I did test out a couple of the pens. This was a red one and the purple one that came out really pretty, the pink, and I think this was the brown. And so these pens have the notation of PN here at top. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do a doodle. So I hope you can follow along. Okay, so I pulled all the pens out and I just wanted to show you, for example, this is what they look like here. And then that's the nib. So I thought, I'd just do some doodling. So again, this is my bullet journal that I got at Hobby Lobby. It has smooth paper. And I think I'm also going to put some music with Thunderstorm on. So I'll do this as an Asmere, but let's see. I think what I'll do is I didn't use the blue yet, so I think I'm going to use the blue. And what I'm going to do, so if you wanted to follow along, is just make the shape of a flower petals, just like that. And then, so I'm just going to make that as my center. And from here, just wherever it is that I think I see an edge, I'm just going to bring that to the center point. Just like that. Then I might do some on this side. They could be curved, they could be wiggly, because in the end, once we start connecting all the lines, you'll see what it looks like. Maybe here. Okay, and then from here, maybe one more here, and one more there. And then from here, in each place or in each section is where I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time and just come to the point. So this is a relaxing method of sort of doodling, Zen doodling. If you don't have markers, you can use gel pens, you can use regular pens, but I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing this. I am trying to not cross over the lines that I already made, but if you did, don't worry about it. Now I'm coming to the next section. And you sort of create those shadows for each section. You can start at any point. It's your doodle, it's your drawing. Start in a different area. So there's the completion of that. And now what I usually like to do is I just like to, where I see, for example, that there are folds in the petal, I'll take my pen and just deepen those lines. Deepen those shadows. Alright, so that's about it. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I am actually going to continue with the other colors and make more flowers. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.